Rydia presents Miz Sylver's Math Bites. Welcome, students! Today we're going to look at quadratic formulas by factoring. And we're going to look at problem 4, which is x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0.
Sweet, free answer.
Shh, pay attention. First, let's talk about what it means to actually solve this equation. We need to find all values for x which make this statement true, which, since one side is 0, that means finding all values of x which make the left side 0. And since we're talking about solving this equation by factoring, we're not going to talk about the quadratic formula.
Awesome, because I didn't understand it anyway.
In any case, with a little guesswork, this should be a breeze. We're going to put this equation in the form x plus a times x plus b, where a plus b equals 2 and a times b equals negative 3. So let's think for a minute. What two terms, when you add them together, give you 2? E?
1 and 1.
True, but when you multiply them together, do you get negative 3?
Point.
Sophia? 3 and negative 1? Correct. And when you add 3 and negative 1 together, you get 2.
Wait a minute. What happens if I don't guess those answers like Sophia just did?
Well, that's when you'd use the quadratic formula. But since this is a different case, we're going to do it by factoring. So we're going to take those two numbers and fill them in for a and b. So we'll have x plus 3 and x minus 1.
But I still don't know what x is.
Now we want to get one of these sums inside of the parentheses to equal 0, because we're trying to get this expression right here to equal 0. Yeah? Because any number you multiply by 0 still equals 0. Exactly. So now we've just got to solve two really simple expressions. Just look. X plus a equals 0 and x plus b equals 0, or in this case, x plus 3 equals 0, or x minus 1 equals 0, which means that x equals minus 3, or x equals 1. See? I knew you guys could do it. Now you have to remember to check your work. Why don't you try the first one, Sophia? Negative 3 squared is 9. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. 9 minus 6 minus 3 is 0. Great job. Do you want to try the second solution, eh?
Hey, watch the master work. 1 squared is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 3 is, bam, 0. Yeah.
When solving by factoring, it's important to get the expression in the form x plus a and x plus b, where a plus b, when added together, equal this coefficient, and a plus b, when multiplied together, equal this term right there. Now here's a quick tip. Let's say the problem had actually been x squared plus 2x equals 3. Remember, you've got to move the 3 to the other side of the equal sign so that equals 0 before you try this method. Thanks for joining me today, and come back next week for Miz Sylver's Math Bites. Study hard.